Why use custom productivity alerts?
The custom productivity alerts help you stay focused on important tasks and prevent unintentional overtime. By setting tailored reminders in your favorite productivity apps, you can break up long work sessions, maintain your energy, and improve your work-life balance. These alerts are easily customizable, making them a powerful tool for anyone looking to be proactive about their time management.
Choosing the right app for alerts.
Popular productivity apps like Todoist, Microsoft To Do, and Notion support custom notifications. When selecting an app, look for features like scheduled reminders, recurring tasks, and integration with your preferred devices. Make sure the app fits your workflow and is compatible with your phone or computer for seamless alert delivery.
Creating alerts in Todoist.
In Todoist, open any task and click the alarm icon to set a reminder for a specific time or date. You can make alerts repeat daily or weekly to encourage regular breaks. For work hour limits, set an end-of-day alert as a cue to wrap up. Customize notifications by project or label for even finer control over your focus.
Setting custom reminders in Microsoft To Do.
With Microsoft To Do, create a new task, then select Remind Me to pick when you want to be alerted. Use recurring reminders to avoid overtime, such as stop work at 6 p.m. For added structure, group tasks by category, like breaks, meetings, or deadlines, and assign specific alerts to each.
Using Notion for flexible productivity alerts.
In Notion, you can add reminders to any page or database entry using the @reminder command. Set custom reminder times or use recurring events for daily routines. Integrate Notion with calendar apps or use third-party automation tools for more advanced alert systems, helping you manage distractions and maintain balanced schedules.
Best practices for effective alerts.
Experiment with different alert types and timing to find what works best for you. Too many notifications can be distracting, so prioritize key moments such as starting a task, taking a break, or ending your workday. Review and adjust your settings regularly to match changing goals and ensure your custom alerts support your productivity, not interrupt it.